Hi everyone, it's the 5th of October, 2019. Temperature is about 61 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm in the middle of Buttermilk Falls, Brandenburg, Kentucky. This is a nature trail. Not going to walk too far. Just to capture some of the wooded area. Not sure exactly how far this particular trail goes, but I'm not sure if we'll be able to see any of the falls. Not going to go that far, but we'll see what happens. A very nice, cool morning. Gonna go up here around this bend and see what we can see real quick, and then I'll start my trek back. Just a short video. Show some of this beautiful park nature trail in Brandenburg, Kentucky. Very nice. Let's see what's around this bend, and then we'll turn around and walk the other way. I don't want to get too far back into this. Okay, let's stop here, take some of the area. As you can see, beautiful canopy of trees and wooded area. I'm not sure exactly how far this nature trail actually goes. I think it's about 2 miles, perhaps less. I'm not real sure. There's a bench so you can sit down and rest if you need to. Oh, and I love these beautiful wooded hills. I wanted to catch it a little bit before fall really took hold here. This is actually the first cool morning that we've had. We've had a drought the past month and a half to 2 months. It has not rained, or rained very little. So much so that many areas are declared a fire hazard. They're very strict on fire. I'm surprised I'd hear some more birds, or hear more birds. Sorry about the camera. I do not have a stabilizer. I'm using my hands to hold the camera. But at least I'm holding the camera at the right angle, horizontal instead of vertical. It makes the viewing a lot better. Oh, what's this? This looks like a table. Small table where you can have a picnic. Yes. Oh, beautiful. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and stop for now. And wait till we get to this bench. Down there is the entry to Buttermilk Falls. I'll try to get back so we could actually see the falls, see what they look like. There's the bench and the beautiful scenery. In Brandenburg, Kentucky. Everyone have a nice day.